Hare Krishna. My name is Gaura, and for a while now I've been learning from Prahlad Mahashai, and today I'm going to demonstrate the snake tune. Okay, so the first part of the snake tune is quite simple, actually. It's just 4 notes repeated 4 times in a sequence. So let's take this slow. So the 4 notes in order, ascending order, are Ni, Sa, Re, and Ga. So the sequence that you play these 4 notes in are as follows. You play Sa twice, so Sa, 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 then you go to Re, Re, and then you go back to Sa, 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 Re, Sa, and then you go up to Ga, Ga, so Sa, Sa, Re, Sa, Ga, and back to Sa, Sa, and then Re, Sa, Mi. So again, Sa, so start in Sa, 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 Re, Sa, Ga, Sa, Re, Sa, Ni. And this Re, Sa, Ni, the descending part, is played double speed of whatever speed you're playing the sequence in. So, for example, if I was playing a little slow, Sa, Sa, Re, Sa, Ga, Sa, Re, Sa, Ni. If I was playing it faster, maybe something like Sa, Sa, Re, Sa, Ga, Sa, Re, Sa, Ni. See, it's like... Okay, so the second part of the snake tune is quite simple, really. It's just one pattern that's repeated twice with 2 different key sequences. So to start off the second part, we do an ascending scale to the ba key. So Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Ba. And so now from here we start this second pattern. And so the pattern includes the keys Ba, Re, and Da. So what we're going to do is we're going to alternate between Ba, Re, Da, and then we're going to go back to Re, again, Ba, Re, Da, Re, and back to, again, like that. So we're going to keep doing that pattern. And one way I like to remember how many times to alternate, like this, is to think that we only push the Da key twice. The Pa key is pushed 3 times, in the beginning, middle, and end. So, something like this. Ba, re, da, re, ba, re, da, re, ba, re. So again, as you can see the pattern, all I'm doing is going back and forth between these 2 keys and this key. And I push Ba 3 times, and I push Da only twice. So again. Ba, re, da, re, ba, re, da, re, ba, re. And now from Re, we're going to do another, like a tiny ascending scale to Ma. So Re, Ga, Ma. And from here, we're going to do the same pattern. But instead of using Ba, Re, and Da, we're going to use Ma, Sa, and Ba. So it'd be something like this. again, you can remember that how many times to do that by thinking that this time we only play the ba key twice, and we play the ma key 3 times. So let's do that one more time. Re, ga, ma, sa, ba, sa, ma, sa, ba, sa, ma, sa. And from here we go ga, re. So again, ma, sa, ba, sa, ma, sa, ba, sa, ma, sa, ga, re. And from here we just play the first pattern that we learned. Sa, sa, re, sa, ga, sa, re, sa, mi, sa. And we just add that sa at the end to kind of close it off. So I'm just going to start from the middle part again. Re, ga, ma, sa, ba, sa, ma, sa, ba, sa, ma, sa, ga, re, sa, sa, re, sa, ga, sa, re, sa, mi, sa. So that was the second part of this part. Of the second part of the second part. So when we play it all together, it should sound something like this. Ga, re, sa, sa, re, sa, ga, sa, re, sa, mi, sa. Sorry for the little mess up there. Sa, sa, re, sa, ga, sa, re, sa, mi, sa. It's a little faster at the speed I was playing it in the video. It sounds something like this. Sa, re, ga, ma, ba, re, ga, re, ba, re, ga, re, ba, re, re, ga, ma, sa, ba, sa, ma, sa, ba, sa. Thank you for watching my video on the snake tune. I hope you learned something from it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And comment down below any questions or ideas for the next video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Kirtan Studios Official. Thank you. Hare Krishna.